Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our dear viewer, I'm your host Fahad Lectures and you are watching my YouTube channel Lecture with Fahad. Today we will discuss the branches of biology. First, I'm going to define you biology shortly. Biology is the combination of two words, bio and logy. Bio mean life and logy mean study. So we can define the biology from the term biology. The study of life is called biology. Traditionally, biology was divided into three main branch. Number 1, zoology. Number 2, botany. Number 3, microbiology. These three were called main branches of biology or traditional branches of biology. Number 1, zoology. Zoology is also a combination of two words, zoo and logy. Zoo means animal. So we can define zoology as the study of animal is called zoology. Number 2, botany or botany. Botany, we can define it as the study of plant is called botany. Number 3, microbiology. Micro mean microorganism or microbe. The study of microbe or microorganism is called microbiology. Microorganism are that organism which cannot be seen with the naked eye and we can see it through with the help of microscope. Later on, it was difficult to study for a person all the biology. So the biologist decided that biology should be divided into many branches, that every person study a particular and a specific branch easily. So they divided biology into many branches. Some and important of them are mentioned here. Number 1, anatomy. Anatomy. It is that branch of biology which deals with the study of external structure of living organism. Internal structure of living organism. Anatomy is that branch of biology which deals with the study of internal structure of living organism. For example, if you are studying kidney, if we are studying lungs, if we are studying liver, if you are studying heart, etc. So this will be called anatomy. Number 2, related to anatomy, morphology is the second branch of modern biology. Morphology is the study of structure of living organism, maybe external or internal. For example, if you are studying our skin, our air, our hair, etc., it will be morphology. Number 3, physiology. Physiology is that branch of biology which deals with the study of normal function of living organism. The normal function of tissue, cell, organ is called physiology, while its opposite is pathology. Pathology is the opposite of physiology, in which we study the abnormal function of living body. We can also define it as the study of disease of living organism is called pathology. When our body is abnormal, so this time a study is called pathology. Number 5 is cell biology. Cell biology are also called cytology. 7 number branch is histology. That branch of biology will deal with the study of tissue, its structure and function is called histology. Number 8 branch is taxonomy or taxonomy. Taxonomy or taxonomy. The branch of biology which deal with the study of classification and their naming is called taxonomy. What is classification? The arrangement of living organism into group and subgroup on the basis of similarity and differences is called classification. Here we study classification in detail. Number 9, paleontology. Paleontology. Paleontology, the study of fossil record, for example dinosaur. So paleontology is further divided into two branches: paleozoology and paleobotany. Similarly, as I discussed earlier, that zoology is the study of animal while botany is study of plants. So paleozoology is the branch of biology or branch of paleontology which deal with the study of animal fossil record, while paleobotany is the study of plants fossil record. Number 10 is entomology. Entomology is the study of insect. It is the study of insect. Number 11, environmental biology. The branch of biology which deal with the study of environment, their relation with living organism, is called environmental biology. It is also called ecology. Study of environment is called ecology or environmental biology. Number 12, social biology. Social biology is that branch of biology which deal with the social behavior of social animal like human, bee, ant. These are social animal. What is social animal? The animal which live in family form, like us. Social biology, social animal, the study of social animal. Number 13 is pharmacology. The study of drugs and medicine and their effect is called pharmacology. Number 14 branch is pharmacy. Pharmacy is also somewhat related to pharmacology, but there is some difference in it. In pharmacy we study the formation of drugs, while in pharmacology we study the effect of drugs. Same, somewhat same subject. I think it's enough for you. Thanks for watching our video. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Lecture with Fahad. Wassalam.